Let's learn how you can disable profile picture on Instagram. So I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now let's start by opening our Instagram application. You will have to go to your profile by clicking on profile picture in bottom right corner. Now you will have to click on edit profile. This will open you a new window. You will have to click on this edit picture or avatar. And you will have to create or set up your avatar if you don't have already. If you have it, just enable it. So I will now show you the process. I will speed up, you don't have to watch from here. I'll put some random colors just to show you how it looks. Okay, doesn't matter, just click on done. We will save it. And now when avatar is done, just go back to your profile, and as you can see, I can't zoom on it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.